again, it's Bronwyn, and you are watching Big Sky Diamond Painting. I have yet again another Diamond Art Club unboxing of another new release that I bought on release day. This one is, well, let's just get into it. There were a couple weeks of new releases that I did not feel the need to grab, which I was grateful for, as was my pocketbook. This one I got, and then the week after, which is, who knows when this is going to go up. I've been really terrible about actually putting videos up in a timely manner. But, you know, we'll deal with that as it comes. It's my channel and I'll do what I want to. Anyway, the week after this release was when they came out with the Lost Princess and the Brave Princess, and that beautiful African princess that was not a Mandy Manzano, but was like really nice, and also that Himeji Castle and the peacock. Like, I literally want like 4 of the new releases out of like, what, 6 or something like that. So, you know, not super great for the pocketbook, but like they're not all a burning need. The only one I really feel a burning need for is the Merida one, but I managed to make it to Monday without buying it, and we'll see. I'm trying to back off on spending a lot of money on paintings, because I do have enough of a stash built up to last me for a while, and I haven't even started on any of these princesses. So, anyway, ta-da, Daughter of Peace. The ones that really attract me, of course, are the squares. This one, as soon as I heard there were 4 ABs in it, I was like, oh man, that one is gorgeous because she's got like a rainbowy dress anyway. And then you go ahead and you put 4 AB colors in it. You're killing me, DAC. You're killing me. So anyway, let's get right into it. We've got drills, we've got the opaque bag, and everything's empty. Okay. So, since I have a little extra time today, I am going to take the time to show you what's in the kit on this one. We have the blue pen that comes with the single placer, and then they do include a multi-placer. Now, most of the kits include the 3-placer. I've seen a few kits that throw in a 6-placer instead, but most of the time it's the 3-placer. They include some baggies. It's kind of a random amount. The bigger the kit, usually the more the baggies, but they don't include like 1 for every color or anything like that. They just kind of throw a handful in. You get your 2 pieces of heart-shaped wax plates. I love these and barely ever use them. Like, the wax is really good, so you should absolutely use them, but I kind of like looking at the hearts. So, you know, I'm weird, I know. You get a squishy. This time it's blue. You get your clear tray with a funnel. And then, since this is a square and it's one of the new ones, I don't know what their manufacture date is for when they started putting putting tweezers in there, but the newly manufactured kits that are square do come with tweezers. These are the really pointy kind, like you might get with, say, an Evermoment, and they are really nice, very good materials. I love these. I have a lot of pairs of them now, so I'm probably going to start giving them away to people that I know, but I love them. So, alright, so we do have the opaque bag, which I am going to open. You said you were going to be a little bit, so I started filming.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay. Do you want to cook me some edamames?
Sure. How long do you want for?
5 minutes. Okay. Alright, so we got the canvas. I'll set these aside because this is going to be a big, big canvas. we're going to start rolling it backwards before we even look at it, because especially with these big ones, because there's so much pressure put on the inside, I find that they really, really benefit from rolling backwards. Alright, and then we have our sticker with the inventory sheet. I like these. Like I said, I haven't even gotten to do a kit yet with one of these, but I have a couple kits that came with them, and I really like them. They are super convenient, and we'll see. I don't know how this sticky is going to be. We'll see how that cooperates with my my Craftmates lockables, because I have the problem of when I slide it in, the sticky wants, or the sticker part wants to roll off and catch on it. Your 9 steps of diamond painting. And we shall continue rolling. Okay, and then another thing I like to do on this end, because that was rolled more tightly, is I just go a little bit more and roll there too. Okay, and that's pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna just roll her out, and we'll start at the top and kind of just put her through the camera so that you can see the whole thing. I know you guys have probably all seen this already, but I figured, I wanted to look at it, and I'm really excited about it because all the colors are going to be so great. There are 52 colors in this, which I'm super, super stoked about. You already know I like rainbows, so that's going to make me super happy. This dress is just fantastic, and all this green in the background, I just can't get over how beautiful that is. And then this swirling colors. I don't know what this random little block of 141 is supposed to be. I just saw that. There's like a tiny little one over there too. So I guess it's just gonna like be sparkly. It'll probably make more sense when it's actually painting. But anyway, yeah, that is the canvas. As always, it's super clear. You can see all the symbols. The sticky is totally fine. You'll see the wrinkles in the plastic, as you always do, but that doesn't mean there's any rivers or bubbles or anything in the glue, because it is a poured glue method, so you don't get the lifting up of the canvas. I have only ever had a problem with one DAC canvas, and they refunded me with no questions asked, basically. So that is one good thing. So if you do have a problem, and it is very rare, but if you do have a problem, they will handle it, essentially. So, you know, I encourage anybody who does have a problem with the Diamond Art Club canvas to reach out to them, because they are very good about taking care of your issue. And I have had nothing but good experiences with their customer service. Now, let's see, let's take a look at the drills. This is the big bags. It's all greens and yellows and tans and some reds. You know what, I don't even feel like taking these out. So, like I said, we have 4 ABs. Let me see if I can find them through here. We've got the white one. Ooh, we have an orange one. And let's see. Doesn't look like any of the big colors are AB. I guess we can dig into this one just a little bit. Okay, so there's the white. There's the orange. what are the other ones? Alright, so we have 124, which looks like a pink, and 138, which is a blue. There's the blue. Just a little tiny bit. And there's the pink right beside it, just a little tiny bit. So, yep. Anyway, pretty excited to do this one, but again, I'm like inundated with things that I have to do for other people. So not really sure when I'm gonna get a chance to do it. Anyway, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more, go ahead and subscribe. If you want notifications when I upload a new video, just hit the bell. I will catch you guys on the flip side, and everyone have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.